All right, back with Cody from the summer field. Cody, here we go, man. Going to try Contenders football, number 11. And then just got this back in. Select. What's up, Micah J? Couple picture-worthy cards. Let me see what we took pictures of. I can't remember. We got a lot of nice cards, I guess, like usual. Your standard nice, like Kyler Murray, rookie patch autograph, Dwayne Haskins, rookie patch autograph. We got all those type of cards. Bunch of cards numbered to 8, 1/1s. Quindary Weatherspoon, black finite, 1/1. Joey Bosa, rookie shoe, numbered to 3. Kel McCarr, rookie purple. I think that's like a $400 or $500 card. And the rest were from yesterday, which I put on Twitter. Not Twitter, but Instagram. Those were the 3 picture-worthy cards today. Like I said, there was I want to say there was a nice Kyler Murray rookie patch autograph from Limited. And Dwayne Haskins. Oh wait, we got a Super Fractor 1/1 for Gary, man. Forgot that. Triple game used bat. Babe Ruth. Super Fractor. 1/1. Got to take a picture of that. That's a nice card. Forgot about that one. One to 6 across the top, 7 to 12 across the bottom. Oh yeah, we just got a Barry Sanders autograph, numbered to 25. I forget all the cards we pulled. Just pulled that. Barry Sanders. You got the Johnny Manziel book, Money Manziel rookie. Everybody loves that card. 9 of only 10. Micah, you missed it all. 1 to 6 across the top, 7 to 12 across the bottom. Number 6, top right corner. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1 to 11 are left. There you go, Captain Puckhead. We got a Dylan Windler with a piece of something on it. Tom B got it. You have to go see that card. It has like some kind of disc stuck to it. Farrer said it might have been a penis ring. Ain't that right, Farrer? Donruss by the number, Farrer? Hi from the optic break. I can show it to you. It's right here. It's weird. I've never seen this before. I think it's right here. Dylan Windler rookie card. It was cut even with the card. And it stuck to it. Anyway, Ed Rim, can you remember pulling quarterbacks in 5-star box? 5-star one box? What does that mean, Ed Rim? That first box? You got Logan Thomas. Aussie Andy. That's what Farrer said earlier, Aussie, exactly what you typed. He said it on the other side. Ben Roethlisberger, Andy Isabella. You got the Montgomery and Singletary, just a dual standard insert. Le'Veon Bell. Are you gonna ring my bell? That's what I got to know. TJ Hawkins, son. Matty Ice. Packer dudes and base. Deebo Samuel. Jimmy G. Drew, Summer Breeze. Mark Ingram /99. Terry McLaurin, looks like points. 250 points. Raiders insert. Stanley Morgan. Baker. Mayfield. Rock Yassin. Devin White. And rookie. Oh, that's the throwback 99 version. These are pretty cool. This is 9 of only 10. Ryan Finley. 9 of 10. These are kind of hard to get. These 99 throwbacks. On card Ryan Finley. And Stafford. Really, really cool looking card. Hard to get. The rub is Ryan Finley. That's the rub. Fairer. First box of Select from the Fresh. Let's see what we get. Deontay Johnson, Devin Bush, Joe Darwin Thompson, Darius. You got a Mitch Trubisky. That one's 7 of 49. Xavier Love, Cleveland Farrell. Nice Pat Mahomes red. That's numbered 84 of 149. Daniel Jones, numbered to only 25 in the world. Tom B would like this card. 25 of 25. We hit all the big quarterbacks in 09 today. We only opened like 7 boxes. We hit Kyler Murray, Daniel Jones, and Dwayne Haskins. All 3 of them. And let's not leave out Ryan Finley. 9 of 10. Rookie of Taylor Rapp. There's a Josh Jacobs. 81. John Ross. DeAndre Hopkins. I guess I'll flip. TJ. Everything goes every which way. Xavier Woods. Riley Ridley to 99 jersey. Baker, Johnson, Fant, Zeke is your silver, Pat Tillman, and Edelman. Josh Jacobs, silver. That's actually a nice silver rookie to get to. 151 version. Drew Brees, purple to 75. Hardman, Slayton. Juju and Miles Sanders to 199. Baker silver. AJ Andrews, Drew Lock, standard, Gary. JPP numbered to 49. This dude blew his fingers off and still plays football. Who else can say they've done that? Chase Winovich, Greedy, George Kittle, Saquon Barkley to 199, and base. So to give it a recap there, Cody, JPP, Miles Sanders 199, Drew Brees 75, Josh Jacobs, Silver Prism, Pat Mahomes 149, Riley Ridley jersey 99. I'm at 9 of only 10. Ryan Finley 99 throwback. Devin White, Rock Ya-Sin, Stanley Morgan 250 points, and Daniel Jones White 25 of 25 jersey autograph. That's it. Thanks a lot, Cody. I appreciate the break, man.